In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Expedia virtual card not working. If you're experiencing issues with your Expedia virtual card not working, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Check card details. Ensure that you have entered the virtual card details correctly, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and any other required information. Verify sufficient funds. Confirm that there are sufficient funds or credit limit available on the virtual card to cover the transaction you're trying to make. Contact Expedia support. If you're still facing issues, reach out to Expedia customer support for assistance. They can provide insights into why the virtual card may not be working and help resolve any underlying issues. Check for restrictions. Some virtual cards may have restrictions on where they can be used or what types of transactions they support. Review the terms and conditions of your virtual card to ensure it can be used for online travel bookings like those on Expedia. Try another payment method. If all else fails, consider using a different payment method to complete your booking on Expedia. This could include using a different credit card, debit card, or alternative payment option accepted by Expedia. Check for system issues. Sometimes issues with virtual cards not working could be due to temporary system glitches or maintenance on Expedia's end. In such cases, wait for a while and try again later. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.